smells like 13 years ago. Love it. Retro's so cool right now, man. The classics, hot. MSI's got your back. They got the classics. It even smells old. I'm just kidding, it actually smells pretty good. If you've been PC gaming for a long time, you're probably scratching your eyes and be like, wait, what year is this? This is a Twin Frozr 2. We're talking about a design that's probably like 13 so years ago. But now, this GPU right here, this is a 5060 Ti 16 gigabyte version. So this is a current GPU with old stylings. That's why MSI calls this the Twin Frozr 2 Retro Edition. But we have a problem. There's a serious problem here because MSI tells me they just did this for fun. They don't know if they're gonna sell it. You need to get in the comments right now and tell them that you wanna buy this GPU. But you know what? Maybe the Twin Frozr 2, this classic design, is not your speed. That's okay, they got another one. So maybe copper is more your jam. This is the Cyclone, another classic MSI GPU design. Look at all that copper. I did pick it up even though it said do not touch. This thing is heavy. They got the copper fins, the copper heat pipes. Not only that, they got a copper backplate. This thing is beautiful. Not only that, there's this subtle etching on this plate that says Cyclone over and over again. You can see one right here that's standing out, but etched in the rest of it just says Cyclone. It's a really small little detail and shows just how much care that MSI put into this GPU. But oh no, MSI did not stop there. They had to update this classic design with a little LCD display. Right now it's showing Lucky just bouncing around doing his Lucky stuff. This is awesome. This is awesome. I hope you think this is awesome too, because you need to tell MSI that they need to bring these GPUs out. This one is a 5070, and it might be the shortest 5070 that I have seen on the show floor. If not, it's by far the coolest. This thing is awesome, and I would love to rock this in the old Silverstone retro case as well. And really, when I saw this announcement, it just harkened me back to a couple years ago at Gordon's last Computex when we were able to go to the HQ of MSI and actually talk with the engineer who designed these GPUs. They laid it out for us, talked about all the design aesthetics that went into it, and you can tell that MSI not only lovingly crafted them back in the day, they were able to sit down and recreate these GPUs, and I really, really hope they come out because this is great. I love it. Nostalgia, it's in. It's in. I would pay extra for this just for the nostalgia purposes. Would you? Let me know. Get in the comments, let me know. And while you're down there, be sure to subscribe on PC World for more awesome PC hardware coverage, even retro coverage like this one.